So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable parental controls in your Android smartphone. Before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So to enable parental controls in your Android smartphone, first of all go to your phone settings and then search for digital well-being and parental controls. Here you can see, click on that option, scroll down a little bit. Here you can see various options of app limits and focus and screen time reminders. You can go to app limits and create app limits for specific app. For example, let's create for Google TV. Click on that timer icon. Here you can see the app limit of how much minutes and how much hours you want to set, and then click on OK. Then app limit will be set on that app. You can see here. Let me show you another features here. You can set focus. Let me show you what is focus. To select the app you want to add focus. For example, let's just add Chrome, Google, and Google Photos. And you have to set a schedule. For example, Monday to Friday or Saturday, Sunday also you can include start time and ending time. Then set, and let me show you. Here you can see the apps we have created on focus are showing in gray, or you can see black and white, so that you won't be able to open that app. As you can see, focus is on, so you won't be able to use this app at this amount of time from these days. You can also select screen time reminder. You will get reminders of after using a screen time for certain amount of time. So that is all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.